First reading, Genesis chapter 49 verse 2, 8-10. Gather round, sons of Jacob, and listen to Israel your father. Judah, your brothers will praise you. You grip your enemies by the neck, your father's sons will do you homage. Judah is a lion's whelp, you stand over your prey, my son. Like a lion he crouches and lies down, a mighty lion, who dare rouse him? The scepter shall not pass from Judah, nor the ruler's staff from between his feet, until tribute be brought him and the peoples render him obedience. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 72 verse 3-4, 7-8, 17. Mountains and hills, bring peace to the people. With justice, he will judge the poor of the people, he will save the children of the needy and crush their oppressors. In his days uprightness shall flourish, and peace and plenty till the moon is no more. His empire shall stretch from sea to sea, from the river to the limits of the earth. May his name be blessed forever, and endure in the sight of the sun. In him shall be blessed every race in the world, and all nations call him blessed. Gospel, Matthew chapter 1 verse 1-17. Roll of the genealogy of Jesus Christ, son of David, son of Abraham. Abraham fathered Isaac, Isaac fathered Jacob, Jacob fathered Judah and his brothers. Judah fathered Perez and Zerah, whose mother was Tamar. Perez fathered Hezron, Hezron fathered Ram, Ram fathered Amminadab, Amminadab fathered Nahshon, Nahshon fathered Salmon, Salmon fathered Boaz, whose mother was Rahab. Boaz fathered Obed, whose mother was Ruth. Obed fathered Jesse, and Jesse fathered King David. David fathered Solomon, whose mother had been Uriah's wife. Solomon fathered Rehoboam, Rehoboam fathered Abijah, Abijah fathered Asa, Asa fathered Jehoshaphat, Jehoshaphat fathered Joram, Joram fathered Uzziah, Uzziah fathered Jotham, Jotham fathered Ahaz, Ahaz fathered Hezekiah, Hezekiah fathered Manasseh, Manasseh fathered Ammon, Ammon fathered Josiah, and Josiah fathered Jeconiah and his brothers. Then the deportation to Babylon took place. After the deportation to Babylon, Jeconiah fathered Shealtiel. Shealtiel fathered Zerubbabel, Zerubbabel fathered Abiad, Abiad fathered Eliakim, Eliakim fathered Azor, Azor fathered Zadok, Zadok fathered Achim, Achim fathered Eliud, Eliud fathered Eleazar, Eleazar fathered Matthan, Matthan fathered Jacob, and Jacob fathered Joseph, the husband of Mary. Of her was born Jesus, who is called Christ. The sum of generations is therefore 14 from Abraham to David, 14 from David to the Babylonian deportation, and 14 from the Babylonian deportation to Christ.